oh my god, this place, dude, everything I knew. I was like, I know
Church
this.
Street.
I know this. Bro, what is that? No, I'll ask you in
Rasta.
the video. Not Rasta. In Tamil, they went up to somewhere. I was like, where? I don't know.
Malayalam is the best.
Yeah, Malayalam was really nice.
Okay, we'll start.
You have to clap.
Clap. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
This is going.
Yeah. You should do your namaste and all.
I've taught her a million gazillion times, but then Pooja, say hi.
No. You should do your usual.
That's what I'm telling for people to say hi.
Oh,
I need
hi.
to get used to your this thing. Good evening, Shubha Sanjay, Elrigo Namaskara. Do Namaskara with coffee. So.
Yes. Hi. Yeah. Okay, welcome to the replay series.
Finally.
Yes.
Finally.
I got the hint. Yeah.
How do you manage to be so intelligent sometimes?
Shut up, Akash.
Okay, if you're watching this for the first time, all we do in this series is select a few amazing movies
Yes,
and then talk about
movies.
it.
Yeah.
Well, you've already watched by the title. You're gonna get few memories hit back. Maybe watch again. If you haven't watched it,
You definitely should.
we're gonna give you a gazillion reasons to watch it.
Yes.
Okay, on that note, the previous week we had one amazing Korean movie,
Yes.
The Train to Busan. Did you watch it yet? Let us know in the comments. It was her selection.
And it was amazing. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Trust. It's amazing. If you still haven't, you definitely should
Go watch it.
Yes.
Listen to the podcast or watch the video first and then go watch it.
Yes.
On this week we have a very, very, very fun and interesting movie. Personally, on the list of all the movies, this is one of like my favorites and the first of the movies to be picked by me. You would already know the movie by the title, but then
Yeah.
Bangalore Days.
It touches home like. it's-
Namuru Bengaluru.
Namma Bengaluru.
Yeah.
That was really cute. I was like, wow.
Hands down one of the best movies I watched
Yeah,
till date.
it was really cute.
So basically, to start off with the synopsis, according to our Pooja's structure. Okay, the thing I like the most about this movie is that it doesn't only stick on to one particular genre.
Yeah.
It covers a lot of genre, almost all of genre. It has a bit of comedy to it. It has a bit of this romantic side to it. It has a bit of drama to it.
And
you know
the emotional side.
Yeah. It is very realistic and you connect with it a lot. It's not like very fictionalized. It is kept very, very raw and real. And you know how life generally treats you both in positive and negative ways. The movie takes you through that journey.
Yeah.
I personally love it.
Yeah.
So it's about the whole scenario is these three friends, very close friends. They're actually cousins.
Yeah,
in
they're
the other
actually
way.
cousins.
Yeah, so very good friends. You know how their childhood passes by and how they go close and how they stick on for each other.
And how they've always dreamed about going to Bangalore for a trip.
Yeah, and
like,
then
just by
how
themselves.
that happens by a coincidence. And then it sticks on. It all sticks very well and glues together very well, and the movie has come out really well.
Yes.
I had watched this movie. Actually, I have a little backstory to this movie. I watched this movie by accident. Actually,
Oh.
I'll tell you the small story. So I watched this movie. If I remember, it was somewhere around 2-3. It is a pretty old movie by the time.
It's 2014 apparently.
Yeah.
I guess, or even older actually. Yeah, 2014.
Yeah,
I was
he's
right.
right. So
I did my research.
I had gone for a vacation to my Ajji's house back in Chikmagalur. 2 to 3 first year of engineering, second year of engineering, around this thing. And I had went in a bus. So coming back on the bus, the Hotstar was a new app back then.
Oh.
So I was just going through the app and found out this movie, and then I liked the poster of the movie. It's really nice poster.
Yeah, it's cute.
Anything with friends onto it, catches up to you at least when you're in my age or something of that. So I watched this movie and I never repent watching it.
Yeah, it's actually really cute.
She actually watched it today for the first time.
Yeah. I'm supposed to watch it last time, but I had some work. So
I had told her a number of times earlier, even before the whole
no, I had actually heard about it, and I was really interested because Bangalore Days, because we're from Bangalore, at partially.
Bangalore Days gives you this vibes of a Kannada movie.
Kannada movie, and
Yeah.
I thought and I thought Rana was in it, and I thought Samantha was in it. I don't know why.
We have a little story for that as well, and
Yeah.
we're gonna tell you a bit later.
Yeah, so I was like, okay, and I don't know why I just never watched it. And like I said, I don't watch a lot of movies, so I didn't watch it. And then for this, I was like, okay, I'll sit down and watch it. And it was actually really nice. And I told my friend, and my friend is like, dude, that's one of my favorite movies. I was like, yeah, now I understand why.
It's an amazing movie.
It's really nice.
Also, I should tell that if you haven't watched this movie or any Malayalam movies, you have to actually watch Malayalam movies.
They're really
Yeah,
like
a
I was
few
so impressed.
movies, not only Bangalore Days, a few other movies as well. They're very well made.
Yeah.
Like very well made. I was stuck onto this Malayalam genre
For a
a
while.
year ago. Yeah, for a
You
while.
had a face.
Yeah, I had a phase because I have a friend. She's a friend.
Hi.
So I had watched Bangalore Days, and after Bangalore Days, after 6 months, I started watching Malayalam movies. Many of which are again Dulquer
Yeah, I
Salman's
want to watch
standards.
Drishyam too. It's out.
Yeah, Drishyam 2 is
I wanna
coming very
watch.
soon.
I think it's out.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it's out.
I'm not exactly sure of the date, but it's
Yeah.
coming very soon.
I think it's out.
Okay.
Okay, it's either out or coming soon.
So Malayalam movies are really well made, like
Yeah.
too good. You should watch it.
Mohanlal,
Yeah.
genius. And Dulquer Salman. Wow, amazing.
On that note, let's come to the star movie cast.
Yeah.
So it is directed by Anjali Menon.
And then
Please go with the star cast.
see all this he doesn't do. But yeah, obviously the main cast, the three friends, it's
Dulquer Salman.
and then it's Nazria Nazim, and then it's
Kuttan.
Kuttan. That's Kuttan Papa. Naveen Polly. Oh my god, I know Naveen Polly. Like there's
This
a
is
story.
Nivin Pauly.
Nivin. That you can't do, please. Sorry, I'm a little blind.
Yeah, it's
Even with my
Nivin
glasses.
Pauly. So Dulquer Salman, Nivin
Polly
Pauly,
and Nazria Nazim.
the three main.
The cousins
the
or
main
whatever, and they've
major
done
cast.
so well.
That's one more point that I love the movie. They've acted really well.
And it's so natural. Cause
Yeah.
It
It doesn't feel like a movie. It's like, oh my god, the story is progressing.
and you
It's really
like
nice.
connect to so many
Yeah.
parts because you have close friends.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, this is me and this like.
Yeah, you connect with it a lot.
Really, I don't know. It was really nice. And then there's Nitya Menon in the movie.
Yeah,
as well.
Nitya
She's
Menon is
done
in the
a
movie.
cameo, and Nitya Menon is like, if she's done a movie, then she's killed it. Like she's absolutely brilliant, and she's so beautiful. And then there's obviously Parvati
Yeah, she's one of
Yeah,
my she's one of my favorite characters of
in the movie. Yeah, actually, I knew I've watched an interview of hers. And I knew, like, she looked very familiar and she sounded so familiar. I was like, I know her. And then after this movie got over, I checked her Google profile. I was like, yes, it's her.
She looks so different in this, no?
Yeah, but then if you click, and yeah, because even like in this she does, but then her curly hair, like I
Yeah.
just reminded. I was like, I know her. And yeah, it's her. She's,
Isha Talwar is there.
yes, and there are actually everyone in the movie
Yeah,
have done such, like, the cast is,
It's come out really well.
yeah.
This is one of those movies where everything went very well hand in hand.
And everything, like, I think everyone it was like the characters were
Yeah.
made for them. It was so
True.
and I just think that's just such brilliant actors, so they've just portrayed their roles so well.
And unlike the other movie, the previous week's movie, this movie has songs.
Yeah.
And the songs,
Even that movie had song, it's just that
Yeah?
it's not. Yeah, you have background track.
I mean, like a song where you
Indian
dance.
movies, you have dance, yeah, all of that.
So the songs in these movies are also like really, really well. And
Yeah.
personally, I don't watch songs when I'm watching
Even
the
me, I
movie at home.
forward.
I just forward it. But this movie, you don't forward. You don't feel like forwarding.
Because
the songs are
actually,
really good.
the thing is, only the first movie there's actually dance, I feel, and the other songs are like with the story. They move with the story.
Yeah, true.
So it's like background track, and sometimes they're like lip syncing, but then it's not a lot. So I like that. I like when they're like, kind of it's playing in the background. It's not forced, and I mean that's the whole point of Indian
My
movies.
favorite
but
song is Mangalyam.
I
You
did.
would have heard this song somewhere. It is like this typically played in a wedding song where you dance to it. It is amazing.
No
it
one
is
invites
the
me to
best.
their weddings. What?
You're going to a wedding.
Yeah,
in a
but
month.
otherwise,
She's dieting.
no. Yeah.
We have to make a vlog on our diet
sorry,
stories.
TMI.
Okay. So the songs also are really, really good.
Yeah.
You first listen to the song called Mangalyam if you haven't yet. It's
Bangalore
too
Days.
good. Mangalyam.
I didn't listen to that song.
Tantunane. You know why? Let's tell them the story why.
Okay, so Akash, I don't know if I misheard it or okay, so he told
Don't blame it on me.
Shut up. I heard it as it's on Amazon Prime. Okay, so I went on Amazon Prime. I typed Bangalore Days, and then I got.
I'll
the
tell
movie
my
and
I'll tell my version.
let me
Yeah,
finish.
let it.
Okay.
I'll tell my
Yeah,
version.
so I started watching it, and then the actors are different in that movie. There's Arya and Rana in that movie. And I don't remember Akash mentioning, because I knew Rana is there, so I thought he is playing another character in the movie and he's there because I have seen Rana.
Who played the Dulquer Salman role?
Arya.
Okay.
So I was like, I knew Arya. I was like, oh, Arya. And then I was like, wait, this is not Malayalam, this is Tamil. And then I was like, okay, maybe he like he mistook it as Malayalam. And he told me I'm watching. 40 minutes into the movie, I put a clip of it on Insta, and he sees this and he's like, what are you watching? And I was like, Bangalore Days. You told me to watch that. He's like, it's not this. I will send you a link. Watch that. So I had to like.
Madam knows Dulquer Salman has acted in the movie.
I was waiting for him. I was
She
waiting
has
for
watched
him.
40 minutes. He is the lead.
I
Now,
was
which
wait-
Indian
No,
movie?
dude,
Which
just-
Indian movie on earth will not will wait for 40 minutes for the lead to come into the movie?
The movie
How
is
40 minutes?
3 hours. The movie is 3
So they'll wait for 40. They're like
Dude,
it's
yeah.
almost 20% of the movie. There's no lead only in the movie.
No, actually, what happened is I like it slipped my mind that Dulquer Salman is in the movie. So I was like, because
So
I saw
watching the Tamil remake version.
Yeah, I
so
was watching one.
personal opinion, the movie is good again, but please watch the Malayalam version.
Yeah, disclaimer, it's just our opinion.
Yeah, disclaimer. We forgot to give disclaimer.
You cut this and put it in the beginning.
No.
Sorry, whatever
Everything in this video or in the podcast is just our personal opinion.
we don't mean to hurt anyone.
Yeah, it might conflict, but we don't really mean to hurt. It's just our opinions,
Not at all.
our views, what we think after watching the movie.
Yes. So yeah, I like once I started watching the Malayalam version, I was like, oh, now
I'm
I
like,
get it.
please stop, and you're watching this movie from the beginning. Like from the did you actually watch it from the beginning?
No.
Don't lie.
I didn't have time. Okay, I had to watch it. I had to come here at 6, and then
I'm like,
at 3
please,
o'clock.
you come later. It's okay. You watch the movie first.
But I wasn't like. But the thing is, it's scene to scene, word to word copy. Because I watched this.
But still, Malayalam is
Yeah.
is like they're gelling up.
Yeah, I even like. But it's a good thing. No, now I can like compare. Which was better.
Look at her taking everything into her advantage.
Obviously, like it was not my mistake. Okay, I went into that Bangalore Days. It came. I watched some Bangalore Days.
You didn't watch the poster also, no? There was no Dulquer Salman in the poster.
No,
She's like,
I
movie,
forgot.
Bangalore Days. Let's watch.
I was in a hurry because at 3 I started. I honestly
I was telling her from past 2 days.
I was supposed to watch it last night.
Tuesdays, like, I'll watch it Thursday. Wednesday, I remember, yeah, tomorrow I'll watch that. Friday, no, I'll watch it morning.
No, I was going to watch last night. I had some emergency work. I'll tell if I had to finish something, full deadline. So I was like, okay, morning I'll wake up, but in morning I told her I woke up a late. I was like, okay, I have to watch
7:15 is too late for her.
Yeah. Sorry, TMI. But like, yeah. But anyways, I honestly, what surprised me was I started watching a little before from what I watched the Tamil. So scene to scene is the same. There's that one song, that Bengaluru, Nama Uru Bengaluru song. There's one scene where the car goes, they're driving fast to the airport.
Oh yeah, like
So
this they goes.
It's the exact same scene. So I don't even know if they've shot that scene.
It's the same Bangalore, same road.
So I think they've just taken that shot and they've just put it in Tamil, because even like the hotels and Malayalam. No,
Malayalam.
They've taken the Malayalam one and put it in Tamil, because it's the exact same thing, and even the roads, like the commercial.
I think the remakers also knew that they have to keep it the same because it is that good.
Yeah, it's that good. They should, like, yeah. Even I wouldn't want them to change anything about that movie. It's brilliant.
So on that note, I'll give a personal note as to why I selected the movie. Please, if you haven't watched this movie, please watch it. You're gonna just love the movie.
If you like movies with like friends and all, I think it's really.
And
otherwise also, it's, I think one of the reasons why I love like South Indian movies is because there are so many like family oriented movies. I love those because those are the movies that I grew up watching. Like that's my jam. I like those. I'm not full action movie and all, but like I love these full emo senti movies. And this wasn't emo senti, but I think it had like everything.
The thing is, this movie was like, as she told, you connect with it a lot. Like it was kept very realistic. It's not like just was made up for the sake of making it up.
Yeah.
It was kept very realistic, and you feel it when you're watching the movie.
And I feel like because the actors were so good,
yeah,
everything seemed real. It wasn't like they weren't trying too hard or like they were trying to like put in a lot of things to add masala or like make it more appealing or commercially appealing, which I really liked because they could have added like 2-3 songs and dances, I feel, if it were like if you think about it. But then it was so real and like so, I don't know, it's I feel like it's one of those comfort.
And the thing is, it has this
really nice.
Thrilling kind of factor to it, even though it is not very evident.
Not
that. The movie was going on one path, and then suddenly, like this Salman's and Shiva's roads merge.
Oh yeah.
I never expected that the same Shiva was this one.
I didn't expect that.
It was like a shock and like a turn.
Oh yeah.
It's like one round with Shiva, you won't survive even in the initial listing.
Yeah.
And this character to be that, oh my god.
Yeah, because especially in that, we'll talk about that later. But like, when they showed me like the Nitya Menon's cameo car thing, I kind of knew what was coming, but then I didn't expect it to have that connection with like the other story. Like that's the thing, no? I feel like everything is so well connected. Even like what the end is connected to the very beginning, and you wouldn't have like, I kind of expected it. I knew, I was like, oh, this is going to happen. I'm full. I know movies. I know old like South Indian movies. They have one. They have like
Pooja forgets to give intros. She has to take a hint to give intros, but then such a nice movie, she can predict the past.
Yes,
say hello.
I can. Hello.
So how did you like the movie?
I loved it. It was actually really nice.
She watched it for the first time.
Yeah.
So
I watched it.
For all of you who haven't watched the movie as of now,
I had.
What are your views?
I really liked it because in the beginning I was like, because I started with the Tamil one, I was like, okay, it was okay. Like it was like because I stopped watching, I started watching like the Malayalam one. I was like, okay, because I felt like, because Arya is also a brilliant actor, but
it's not like we're blaming any actors that they've not done justice. It's not like that. The thing is, it's just come up really well in Malayalam.
And I feel like because there's actually one particular scene where Salman kind of breaks down after he fights with that other dude. There's that in the race. He hits that part, and he comes back and he talks to his friends, and they're like, we will understand you if it's not. And that was very real, because at the end of the day, no matter how much you're close to someone, it's not easy to open up. And he says, shut up, he says. That exact same scene is in Tamil, okay? The one thing is, I think because he was trying to do something that was already done, so there's always an image at the back of your head, like, oh, this is done like this, or maybe I should do it like this. I don't know. I felt like Salman was...
And one more thing with me is that I like to watch the originals, be it whichever language.
Still, this sir has watched Train to Busan. I didn't know this until we recorded. He watched it dubbed in English.
Not dubbed. It was just the voice was in English.
That is only dubbed.
The thing is, I'll tell you why.
You don't like the next movie. You're not watching it.
No, I'll watch it in the...
So much he'll tell, and he only...
No, the thing is, see, remake is different, dub is different.
Still.
I watched it in a dubbed version because I didn't have time, and I was like, I have to watch this movie now, finish this, and then, like, that's because you watched the Tamil. At least I watched the correct one.
There's no Train to Busan remake now to watch. Don't remake it.
Any director watching this?
Don't.
Please. One South Indian movie, some similar some more effects will be nice.
Yeah.
I'll go first day, first show.
Only you'll go.
Hey, come on. I watched Aquaman in Telugu. Not bad.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yeah.
You know Aquaman, Samudra Rakshakudu ni.
I didn't know that was there. Yeah.
So, what else? What do you like about the movie the most?
You tell and then I'll tell.
No, you tell.
Okay. What I really liked was... I liked Sarah's character because they didn't make her emotional or like because
Yeah.
she has a
Again, it was
disability.
kept very realistic and practical.
They didn't make it, because usually when there's some character like that, they usually make it like extremely like
Yeah, these
sad
love
and-
interests are made very emotional or very happy.
Yeah,
They're
but
taken to extremes.
extremes and like full sad. But Sarah's character was so real and she was so optimistic, and like that was really good to see. And the fact that Salman's character changes after he
Yeah.
meets Sarah, and I think that was really nice.
You know what? Again, when this
I can't
Salman,
see
what is Salman's name? Arjun,
Arjun.
aka Ajju, goes and meets Sarah. She's actually a radio jockey in the movie. Okay,
Yeah.
Arjun Sarah Parvati again is a radio jockey in the movie.
Mm.
She's like this very enthusiastic person who loves her job. You know,
Yeah.
a radio jockey who entertains people a
Yeah.
lot. Like Good Morning Bangalore, where the city where the dreams are
98.3.
made. 98.1 Indigo.
Oh, and I think it's
Tamil. See.
it's
It's Indigo 98.1, and then the city where the dreams are made, and she's that sort of very energetic,
Bengaluru.
positive vibe kind
Yeah.
of person.
Her
And
voice is so
yeah,
beautiful.
it's perfect for radio. So this Ajju keeps listening to
Yeah.
this radio, and then he surprisingly goes to see her.
Yeah, and then
Because obviously she's a love interest.
Yeah,
She likes
he
her
has
also.
to go.
Yeah, so he'll go, and then after seeing her, she's actually physically disabled. So he's like, no, this is something new. And then his whole scenario changes.
Yeah.
Again, he keeps following her for some other reason, and then she gives a talk somewhere, and then after
Yeah,
listening to all of
so-
this character changes. You know,
Yeah.
one particular sentence that she tells with a bunch of kids where she gives a talk is really good. RJ
Yeah.
Sarah, she tells the only thing.
No, it's
that-
what you want to be and what you are.
Yeah,
The
it's-
difference between what you want to be and what you are is
the
you.
only thing standing between what you want to
Oh, yeah,
be
you.
and what you are is
you.
you. That is such a nice dialogue, and then
Yeah.
this guy listens to it, and then obviously they start talking to each other.
Yeah, I really liked how that progressed, and like it had like it made sense.
Yeah.
But then when
Kuttan's love interest is the best. Kuttan is this very
fishy, bro, because it like progressed, like it was like what full express rate. I was like, what is happening? I don't know, something is
Meenakshi,
going to me.
Malayaliyane.
No, I was watching the movie and my mom, that time only she came and he said Meenakshi. My mom's name is Meenakshi. I was like, Mom,
Kuttan is this very innocent,
Yeah, he's
cute,
so cute.
who doesn't know anything,
Yeah.
that kind of character. And then he's like, he's on the verge of finding someone very, for a life part.
yeah.
And then he meets Meenakshi, on the air hostess, on a plane.
Yeah, Papa.
And then she turns out to be a half Malayali.
Yeah.
And then their love progresses sharp.
But then obviously Papa, it
Papa, she
doesn't.
cheats on Doesn't work out.
And that is she cheats on him in front of it.
How this fellow had to escape that place?
Dude, I'm not kidding. Shit, you don't. Please delete this. Oh god, that was really funny.
That was really
Yeah,
good. Kuttan is one of my favorite characters in
Yeah,
the movie.
Kuttan.
He's too cute.
I think everyone. My favorite character is Kuttan's mom.
She's very interesting character.
Yeah.
My favorite, very interesting character. She is one of this, typical modern kind of.
No,
She's actually
Papa-
good.
No, it actually made so
She's
much
very
sense.
cute.
Okay, because she she lives in
In a
Kerala.
village,
She
Kerala
lives in
village.
Ke-
Typical
yeah.
the coconut tree, planktons wala section of the country.
Yeah. And then I think something happens and these people go back to Kerala and they find out that Kuttan's father has gone
Kuttan's
away.
father, you know why?
Wait, no. Let me complete.
yeah.
So he has gone away somewhere, so they can't find him. So everyone's like,
he writes a letter. He's not like it's not like he's absconded or something. He's written. So Kuttan's father.
yeah. So Kuttan's father, like when they go back, they find out they go for something else, and then they find out that Kuttan's father is gone. He's left a letter.
Not like absconding or anything. He has written a
He's written a letter and he's
gone
gone
for a detour.
Yeah, detour. He's like, done.
I'm so done.
I'm so done.
Suffocated.
I'm so done.
Suffocated.
So he goes and then so like everyone's like, what are you going to do? Your mom's old and all of
Alone
that.
and stuff.
And so he's like, no, how can I leave my mom here? Kuttan is a cutie. He's a cutie who takes care of his parents. So he's like, I will come back and take care. And then his mom comes and she's like,
She closes the door. She's like, come please, come on.
please, I want to talk to you. And then I was like, oh my god, full emo scene and all. And then she's like,
No.
I'm done. I want to go to Bangalore.
Yeah, let them do whatever they want with the land.
I
don't care.
I married your
Why did I make you a software engineer?
I married
Take
your
me.
father because I thought he was a software engineer. Take me from here. And then he's just like,
Okay.
And then they go to
Bangalore.
and then she sees everything and she's like, oh my god, this is so cool. And then she goes to the kitchen and then she's like, oh, there's no stove here. And Kuttan on Cutie is like, no, you don't get fired. And she's like, not fired. Induction.
Where is induction?
Induction.
This guy is like, what
He's
is
like,
happening?
Oh my god. And it's actually so cute and like, oh my
and
god.
this is how the so beautifully the story progresses,
Yeah.
right? They all end up in Bangalore in some or the other way. Kunju, Ajju and Kuttan. Kunju is the female, Ajju is Salman, and this one is Nivin Pauly. So Nivin Pauly comes to Bangalore because of his job.
Yeah.
For the first posting.
Dude, I'll tell you what, I love, I don't know, I watched it in Tamil, so I'm sure it's there in Malayalam also.
The speech, right?
Yeah.
So you should listen to it in Malayalam. That Malayalam accent kicks in, right? So beautifully.
And that globalization, irrigation,
same.
and I was
So,
like, all the shit, like these powers.
Shun, everything.
He's
into
found-
a superpower.
Yeah. And then he's like, yeah,
Then,
superpower
yeah.
nation. I was
How
like,
do you consider Bangalore for your first posting, Mr. Kuttan? like,
yes, of course. I mean,
Yeah.
it's Bangalore. I was like, so cool. Our Nama Uru is amazing.
so that's how Kuttan comes into Bangalore. And then Kunju, the female one, she gets married to Mr. Das. Mr. Das. Again, the one more thing is, right, they won't reveal his name until Arjun finds out.
Yeah.
So that's very good. So she gets married to Mr. Das and then again comes to Bangalore.
He lives in Bangalore.
Arjun, because of the races, Arjun is a racer in the movie. He's like
Yeah.
a motorbike racer, motorbike specialist.
Yeah, he repairs and everything.
See, any motorbike racer will know repairing and stuff. So it's not like mechanic. Mechanic is a good. I love mechanics.
Yeah.
So he's a bike mechanic come racer. So again, Bangalore. So that's how, right? And then Kuttan's mom comes into Bangalore.
She's my favorite character. She's so cute. Bro, I've seen. She's
Kuttan's
acted in.
father is also is like, how is Kuttan born to such different?
Kuttan's mom's the actor. Her name is Kalpana, and I've seen her in other movies.
Yeah, she's a pretty famous
she's
South actor.
so cute and she's so funny. I love her. And she's such a mood. She's like, I'm not cooking. Go order pizza.
Yeah,
order
she's
for all
like,
of us.
order for
Ye
all-
mera turn hai kya? She's speaking in Hindi. I was like, yes, auntie, get that. I was like, good for you. Live your life.
One more
Which
thing.
I really liked. I feel like Kuttan's parents are also like, I don't care.
Kuttan's
Like,
mom
it's
is
my
like
life.
too good, too modern for this thing.
Yeah.
And Kuttan's dad is like done with everything. You wanna go? I'm gonna take a detour.
Yeah, he
goes to the so-called Gaya.
Yeah, Gaya, which is actually Goa.
Goa. The way he finds out
It's
is
so funny. You should watch it. Don't say all of that.
too much, right? You
Yeah.
should watch it. But the people who watch it, you would be laughing.
You
at
know. If you know,
You
you
know.
know. Oh.
And one more thing that fascinates me with this movie is that the three close friends or cousins, they're very different people.
Yeah.
Their thinking is again a bit different. It's not
Yeah.
like they all connect with everything, and it's not of that sort. Arjun is a totally different person.
Yeah.
Kunju is a totally different person. Kuttan is a totally different person.
I think that's how.
It's very, very different.
Yeah,
It's
and-
not like not even one point at least connect.
You don't let me complete. I was like, I feel like that's how it is in like friends circle, right? You like not all of you are like-minded. You all have your
Thoughts.
opinions and thoughts, and you fit in. That's it. Now talk.
And then how well they stick for each other.
Yeah.
For
Cute.
each other.
Very cute.
So what is your favorite part of the movie?
I like Kuttan's mom scene, bro. I was like,
Which scene?
wow.
Kuttan's mom scene, all are good. Which
No,
scene?
I like the transition they show of her, sitting in front of the kitchen, like in front of the TV, and she'll be doing yoga, Surya Namaskar. What is that? What is this called?
Made,
My mom knows this.
Pranayama.
Pranayama. She's like, Pranayama you do? And then she's like, and then
Yeah, it's like
that's
your
when-
dad also has the respiratory issue. This is where it kicks in.
And then he's like, oh, why did my father take so long to run away? And he runs away. Yeah, and then he comes back home. But I love that transition scene. I even like, I'll tell you what, I liked the part where this Sarah, she knows he's following her, and he's like, I'm following your cute cousin. And then she, like, her cousin goes to get food or something, and she's like, I saw, you're the one who came to the office that day, right? And that was very cute, and the way Salman is like, oh, she knows. So I feel like he's acted so well. I love Salman.
Salman acts really well.
Yeah, Dulquer Salman.
Mammootty's son. You know Mammootty? He's a very very famous, again a very good, very well known actor. He's his son, so he has it in his blood.
But he's brilliant. Like,
All the
I
movies that he
watched-
acted really
I
well.
watched another movie of his.
Which one?
That movie where he's a con man.
Kannam Kannam Kollade Thal.
I watched the Telugu one. That was really nice.
Watch it in
You keep quiet. You watch Train to Busan in Korean and then we'll talk.
one movie. One movie.
Even one movie only I watched.
You watched this in Tamil? Oh my god.
Like only one movie that is. I didn't watch before.
Okay,
anything.
coming to my favorite part of the
Oh,
movie,
yeah.
which is my favorite part. The movie comes out really good, but I like a very
Oh, that last scene is also really nice.
which one?
But-
Oh, okay. You know, personally for me, the favorite scene of the movie, it's very short, but very ending of the movie. You know, where
Yeah.
Kutan marries an American,
Yeah.
and then he's like, let's
Michelle.
play Antakshari Cheta. And then it's like, who told you all this? And then there's a knock on the door, and then everyone comes, and they take a group picture. Such a beautiful scene.
Spoiler alert.
Please watch it.
Yes.
Please watch it. You're gonna love this.
Yeah.
So why did I like that scene? Kutan is this kind of very homegrown boy. Is like I want someone from my culture
Yeah.
to be with me as my life partner. Is like he is even very hesitant to talk to other people,
people.
girls in general. And then Meenakshi chapter happens. We won't tell you much about the Meenakshi chapter. But then
I'm
poor guy
so
gets
bad.
ditched. He
Dude.
changes for her completely and then he gets ditched. Right in front of his eyes.
Right in front of his eyes. I was like, dude, don't do this to him. Poor soul is scarred. And yeah. that
And
was
then
really
he
funny.
marries an American, Michelle, who again was in the same apartment. Yeah.
No office.
No, apartment. Initially, the first time when he comes to Bangalore,
I
it's
watched
like
the
all
Tamil.
these three girls come into this
I
like
watched Tamil.
Malayali, yeah? And then he's like, no, not a Malayali, not a Malayali.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, so he
Tamil.
marries Michelle,
Yeah.
the American, and then there's one beautiful sentence in the movie. Again, Kutan at the end says it's not like the culture that matters; it's the person who holds and who wants
Yeah.
to be with you that matters.
Yeah.
Very well written movie. Very direct, also really well. Again, it gels up. I like that scene, and then all these people come together. And the three friends turn into six, and then
very
the
cute.
group picture.
Yeah, that's very cute.
I also like Shiva's chapter. It's very different.
Yes.
Shiva is Mr. Das.
Yes.
So he has again a past before he marries Kunju, which I'm not
Yeah.
going to talk about.
Yeah. But it's very nice.
It's
And-
very nice.
and there's
Nitya
a
Menon,
dog in the movie, so
that's it. Very nice dog.
cutie.
And the way the dog recognizes him
Yeah.
once he comes to
Oh
his
my
house.
god, that was so cute.
Kunju, again we've talked less about Kunju. Kunju is one of the main characters. in the
And
movie.
I that's what no, cause like whatever happened in the movie, I was just like, bro, talk.
And then she's the I think
Stock.
she's the character where everything revolves.
Yeah, she gets everything.
Yeah, I mean
happening.
the whole movie kind of rotates around her.
Yeah.
It's because of her they all come to Bangalore.
Together.
Yeah.
And like apparently like Ajju hasn't like met all of them in a really long time. For the wedding he
Yeah.
comes, right? Yeah. So and then they're like, we have to go to Bangalore. Like it's our like childhood dream. Like
And
let's
then
make it
the
happen
way
now.
Kunju progresses, right? They'll obviously she'll have
And her
this.
character development is really
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
And
She'll
she's
have-
acted so well because like there was this one, like I was like full pissed off at that dude. Okay, I was like, bro, what the hell are you doing?
Which scene?
Like all like the scenes where he just keeps going and she has
Yeah.
like nothing, like talk. But
She
then
was
it's
at a
movie.
very hard stage. Practically speaking, it's very difficult to come out of such a big this thing.
Yeah,
You know, losing someone very close and
Yeah.
then being blamed off.
yeah. I mean, I understood in the end, but then in the beginning, I was like, "What is your issue, bro?
Realistic.
Like, what is your issue?"
So that thing also I really like. And again, Kunju, like the way her character progresses and how she sticks for him after knowing a little bit of things, and then how she completes her dreams by doing what she wants to do on an educational
Yeah,
this thing.
that was really nice.
And how she, you know, without the help of any other, she
Yeah. That
she
is-
has this tick list, right? That all she has to do.
Checklist.
Yeah, tick list, checklist. I use tick. It's a
I was check.
nice app. So that is my favorite part of the movie.
Yeah.
Why should you watch the movie? What is your reason for people to watch this movie?
It's very real, and the actors are really good, and I feel like I don't know, dude. Like it's such a sweet movie. You should just you should watch it just for like the story's sake. I feel like the story is really nice, the music is really nice, and like the actors are absolutely brilliant. And I feel like Malayalam, now I get why Malayalam this thing is like so famous. So yeah.
So coming to my reasons, hands down, Bangalore Days is one of the best movies I've watched till date, and I watch a lot of movies. So if you haven't watched this, you're gonna love it. The mere point of the fact that this movie does not stick to one particular genre, and it has a bit for everyone. If you like drama, there's a bit for you. If you like comedy, Kuttan is there for you.
Kuttan's mom is there.
Yeah, Kuttan's mom, Kuttan's dad is there for
Yeah.
you. And it's very. It is also at the same point of time. It is kept very and like what do you call, the traditional way of movie, and then how the generation progresses by.
Yeah.
They have tried to show all the three generations.
Yes.
If you notice, if you watch the movie correctly, you'll notice the fact.
Yeah.
So it is a beautiful movie. Again, the acting, the three leads. Oh my god.
Three leads and Sarah as well. Like I feel like everyone.
Sarah is one of my favorite characters.
Yeah, she's so beautiful. Like her voice, dude. Her voice.
She looks really elegant in the movie.
Yeah, she's like I feel like how she talks. She's so eloquent and like she speaks so well. I was like wow. And even the radio thing, and like she's like I'm going to speak in Malayalam now, and she's like, bro, you're going to like make me lose my job. I was like, oh, so cute.
And then one more point in the movie is, right, as I told, Sarah is a physically disabled person. So they've kept it very real to the fact that they've not, everything as you think it goes. It's not like that. There's one point in time where like, oh, this is what I didn't expect.
Yeah.
Even Mr. Das's this thing, which I'm not going to tell, apart that you're going to watch, is like that that'd be a shock to you.
Yeah. And I feel like the one thing that I really liked about is the way they've shown Sarah and her mom, because her mom's concern is very like real.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, you want the best for your child.
Exactly.
Right? And like it was very debatable, and like the way like I loved like how everything came together in the end was beautiful. And like usually in movies, I'm telling you, what would have happened. You cut this or you mute this, okay?
It's fine. At this point of time.
No, they would have like made Sarah like fight with her mom.
Yeah.
And leave and like
typical.
Yeah, that would have been the ending. Like, oh, I'm going to go for the race. Like if it was a typical movie, she would have gone for the race, and like you would have won and all of that.
No, but at the same time they kept it very practical, and then this guy is like, after winning something, and they're like, I want her. She's everything. They have this twist, but it's nice.
Like obviously, Papa, so much he's achieved, and like and it's also he changes.
He
after
changed the
meeting.
character.
Yeah, he changes his like. He becomes a lot more
the way he looks at things.
Like, yeah, so it made sense, and I was like, yes, go for it.
After meeting Sarah, right, he comes down and sits with Mr. Das, and then he talks. And then I like the way they clap their hands at in the beginning of the race. It's like Mr. Das, like
cute. That was song. And even Mr. Das meeting his friends.
Yeah.
So that was like that reunion.
No, Kunju will show Mr. Das, and then this guy's like Shiva, song right? Crazy.
So yeah,
it gives you goosebumps.
Cute. Yeah, that was really cute. Just you have to watch it because it's Bangalore Days.
It's too good.
And if you're from Bangalore, please watch it for the like. I was like, I know this place. This is near college. This is Church Street. This is Empire Hotel. Yeah, that one.
We should take one open car and room it.
Yeah, it's so much dust.
Good content.
Look at my hair. It'll become in that.
Everything has to do something with you, no? It's like not enjoying the movie. It's like my hair, my potato, my corn.
Please, okay? It's very like too much pollution.
It's okay, we'll go once.
Akash will take us.
Yeah, we'll go in Anudeep's car.
Oh, Anudeep's car, we'll be going only. Anyways, yeah, so you should watch it just because it's Bangalore.
And you're gonna love the song Mangalyam. Listen to it. It's one of my favorite tracks.
I'll listen to it after this.
Yeah, she watched the Tamil movie, the initial bits.
Yeah, so I didn't
you would have listened. It's too good. The song is really nice. I wish I could have played the song by right now, but no, I can't. Mangalyam.
And like I honestly, because it was like my first Malayalam movie.
Okay, if you haven't watched any Malayalam movie yet, this is the perfect thing to start off with.
Yeah, so I feel like even though it was Malayalam,
you'll get this interest to watch other movies.
Yeah, Yeah, I'll watch more Dulquer Salman movies, bro. But I really liked it. Like, it didn't feel, because I thought like, because it's the first time I'm watching, like it's.
You've not watched Drishyam?
I watched Telugu Drishyam. I'll watch Drishyam too in Malayalam.
Yeah.
Because I want to watch
Mohanlal.
Mohanlal. Yeah.
Mohanlal is there a bit in the movie. They'll all be going in a car for the movie.
Yeah.
Ajju and Kuttan, and then Mr. Das will be like very slowly driving.
It's too funny, dude. But yeah.
And few parts in the movie, right? It doesn't make sense in the beginning, but then later when you realize the character of Das is like, oh my god,
this is why
he was being so protective of her.
Yeah, this is why he was doing what he was doing. Yeah, that's why I know, because in the beginning I was just like, bro, what's wrong with this dude?
Actually,
like,
he confesses the facts in the beginning, but
yeah, but he doesn't like, you can't just say like, bro, this, and then like, because she has no, she's trying to like do something, like she's trying to make
the relationship issues
progress in her relationship, but like,
but then he starts progressing. I feel the way the glass painting fall like,
bro, the glass painting in the Malayalam movie is so much better, because in the Tamil movie I'm sorry, okay,
it's fine,
like the production design, people should have done a little.
The Malayalam is so good. He wakes up and then he tells thank you.
The same thing is there in Tamil also, but the design is not nice. I like the Malayalam design.
And then the way that he stocks the fridge with mazas just because Kunju likes and
so
then
cute.
The omelette with the smiley face.
So cute.
All the characters progress really well.
The character development is really nice.
Hands down, one of the best movies I watched it.
You have to watch it.
And it's one of those movies that where you feel like you don't have anything to watch and you want to watch a movie. Bangalore Days.
And I feel like it's also one of those movies where you can just watch any number of times, because I think it's just it's because it's funny and like it's
as
funny.
I told, the fact that it doesn't stick on to one genre, so you can watch it when you're sad, or you can watch it when you're happy, you can watch it when you want some fun, you can watch it with your friends, you can watch it with your family. The main point, at least for Indian audience.
Yes, it's actually really nice. It's really nice.
Nice, too much of nice.
Yeah, I think I said nice 100 times because it's actually that nice.
ये हमारी कैमरा है, ये हमारी co-host है, और ये हमारी वीडियो हो रही है. हो रही है.
Okay.
Bangalore Days का party हो रही है.
Bangalore में party होती है.
हाँ, Bangalore में party होती है.
Yes, Bangalore.
Oh, one more thing about the movie is where Kuttan gets scolded by this one and the lady walking on the street. Have you watched that? They'll be going in a car. Ajju and Kuttan.
Oh yeah, I watched the Tamil version of it.
Ajju whistles. She's like, why ever in Bangalore? Kuttan sees a PDA in public in Bangalore, and then he's like, what is wrong with these people? And then Ajju is like, hold on, I'll show you something. And they'll park the car in a signal. And the lady will be pressing like, shh. And then he whistles, and this guy gets properly scolded.
Yeah, and then he
and then like closes his ears.
And they're like, and he's like, I understand Hindi, and then because
the way they have showed her scolding.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, but yeah, that was really funny. I watched that in Tamil.
It's too good.
Yeah, I should watch this again from the beginning in Malayalam.
The movie is available in Hotstar. It's not like you should have any subscription or anything.
Yeah, it's free.
You do have any subscription? I have VIP, which came free with the internet connection that I got.
I'll get next month.
She has lots of money, so she's taking.
Shut up, okay? I forgot. And then I needed in.
You get 3 months of Prime and 1 month of Hotstar. So it's free. Obviously, you get ads, but then the movie will do justice for you, skipping the ads after 10 seconds.
Yeah, it's not that much also. You can bear with that much.
It's really nice. Yes. So what else was there? The structure? Open. Okay. The next one is, what is your takeaway from the movie? We're trying to stick to one particular format.
Yeah,
so this is the second movie. So I'm just we just need some one more movie to get used to it.
Yeah.
So what is your takeaway from the movie?
I don't know. I just remember my friends while watching it.
Who in particular?
All my friends. I have a lot of close friends. I actually know. Hey. Yeah, I remember Akash, Anudeep, Ritu.
See, that's what I was waiting for.
Yeah.
Which character do you connect with?
I don't think like that much.
Which character do you connect with? It can be anyone. It can be Ajju. It can be
Kuttan's mom I connect. I want to get out of Chick Balapur.
Oh, come on.
I love Chick Balapur. We have Just Wait here.
Yeah.
Sorry we talk so much about Just Wait. We're just really happy it's here.
After 22 years, we have Just Wait. And Swiggy.
Only Anudeep and I use it in Chick Balapur apparently. No, joking. But we use it often. But yeah, so
Takeaways.
Kuttan's
Not Just Wait.
No, I feel like what Kuttan's dad says is very true, where he's like, you know what, all we have is the present.
That was my takeaway. You just copied that.
I didn't know, but he says all we have is the present, and no matter, and even though like people say this, I think it's very difficult to get your head around it, no matter how much they say,
True.
you know, don't dwell in the past or don't think about the
It's very difficult when you put yourself in that.
Yeah, in that situation, because you obviously will think about your future, and you obviously will think back and be like, oh my god, I should have done something else. But it's true, because at the end of the day, I mean, I'm probably the last person who should be saying this, because I don't think I live in the present or anything. But it's just so true, like the way he said it, I just felt, and like the one thing I really like about this movie is the fact that not just like Kuttan, Ajju, and like the girl who are living their life and doing this, even Kuttan's parents are just being themselves and living their life, because they should. At the end of the day, I feel like our parents tend to like put in so much for us. Correct. And they start living for us, but they forget themselves, because I feel like, you know, they should live for themselves and do the things that they want to do as well, which they will not understand. They will not listen to you. But I feel like it's so important to tell our parents also, like, just do things that you want to do as well.
Uncles and aunties watching this, please take a detour. Go to Gaya.
Go to Gaya.
Enjoy.
Go wherever you want.
Yeah.
Go to Gaya. But yeah, I felt like that was really, like, I loved how they put that. And in the end, I loved how Kuttan's mom actually went to America. Yeah. I was like, go auntie, go wear your coats. Go wear whatever you want.
She's very enthusiastic person. She's like...
I want to be Kuttan's mom 23, 30 years from now. I'll be like, I'll do what I want to do. I'm cool.
That's too early.
20, 30 years?
Your child should be 20, 30. So that is what, 40 from now?
40 from now, I'll be 60, bro. Okay, yeah.
Kuttan's mom is what, 50?
Yeah. But what I'm saying is, you know, I think everyone should live for themselves at the end of the day.
The past, the future, you can't decide. Live in the present.
Live in the present.
I follow that. I legit follow that.
Yeah, he actually does.
So that is one takeaway for me also from the movie. One more thing is the way Kuttan tells right at the end, after he marries Michelle, he doesn't like actually tell. There's this background music going and then these dialogues come in the line.
Yeah.
As to why he married Michelle, he's like, it's not the people or the thing that you stick on to. It's with what they get to you and what they want to be. This is something on the similar note. That is my takeaway from the movie.
Oh, so cute.
Kuttan is cute.
Kuttan is very cute. Kuttan is the cutest. Kuttan's mom. I like Kuttan's mom.
One more thing, you know why I told her to watch some Malayalam movies? She had posted a video on Instagram.
It's just Finsta, not.
Okay. She has posted. No?
Why do you want to say all that? But I posted somewhere.
She posted a video which had a Tamil version of Kuttan. And then he's telling on, I'm like, this is Kuttan's dialogue, because I also watched the movie yesterday. Like, what is he telling? He's not doing justice to Kuttan. He's like, Pooja, what the hell? What are you watching? Like, please watch.
And then I was like, this is Bangalore Days. What are you talking? And then he's like, bro, no.
Kuttan is like the cutest character. Oh, Kuttan is one amazing character.
He's so, like, all of them. I've actually read about Nivin Pauly. And then I was like, I didn't know it was him. But then now I was like, oh, I get it now. I'll tell you the story later. But yeah.
Okay, what is your favorite part of the movie? I mean favorite part in the sense, what did you like the most in the movie? The direction, what do you call that?
Cinematography and all of that.
Yeah. Is there a name to collectively call that in a movie?
I don't know.
Okay, what is your favorite thing?
I liked everything. Like, I think it was very well directed, because like I said, no, it wasn't like commercialized or anything. I loved how it was directed so rawly. Like, I loved that part.
So I would rank it. Everything is really well. Everything fit in so well. So if you have to rank it, first I'll give for acting. Hands down,
10 out of 5.
acting. Next goes to direction. Third goes to scripting. The screenplay. Perfect. It's a 3 hours movie. Did you feel that movie was that?
Yeah, because I had to watch it today. I was like, oh my god, it's 3 hours.
Yesterday she was like, why is this movie 3 hours? I'm like, please watch it and then later you tell me.
Yeah, and then I was like, okay, I can watch another
frankly
hour.
speaking, did you feel the movie was dragged? Be
No,
frank.
it was okay.
Because it is not it's not like a very short movie. It's a 3 hours movie.
a
2
3
hours,
hour movie.
not full 3 hours. 2
2
hours.
hours, 40
50
minutes.
Yeah, something like that. So it doesn't feel dragged, and it's gonna be the best 3 hours of your day if you watch it.
Yeah, it's actually really, it's a very sweet movie. It's I feel like it's like a proper South Indian movie. If it like old times where they used to make nice cute movies, like
Yeah.
family movies.
Not an
friendship
offense
movies.
to this generation movies, but yeah.
Yeah, I like those movies more. So I really liked it.
Okay, is it a one-time watch?
I can watch it multiple times.
I have watched it multiple
Yeah.
times. This, to be very frank, this is my somewhere around 12th or 13th time watch.
Oh, wow.
Yesterday I watched it. So
First time. I'll watch it again.
watch it. If you have free 3 hours in your day, watch it right now after listening to this.
Yes.
Anyong Bias.
Bye.
Okay, wait.
Annyeong, bye. Saying bye.
What is bye in Malayalam? Let's add a bit of Malayalam.
Oh yeah, we should.
See, this is why we don't prepare anything. It has to be impromptu.
Way too impromptu this is.
Give meanwhile as such, please give the.
Yeah, so if you guys want to watch the movie, I mean, you definitely should watch the movie. So the links will be in the description and show notes for the podcast listeners. And thank you so much for watching. And what is bad Malayalam now? Oh gosh, you talk now.
Okay, I'll give once more. Do like the video. Comment down your thoughts. Comment who is your favorite character from the movie. Who's your favorite character? Come on. A rapid fire. Who's your favorite character from the movie? Without thinking.
Kuttan's mom.
Kuttan's mom. For me, it's Ajay Sara.
Oh yeah, Sarah also was really nice.
One movie. Kuttan's mom. Ajay Sara.
It's bye only.
Subscribe to the channel on that note if you haven't subscribed yet. The podcast is available on all the major podcast platforms. It's now live on JioSaavn and Wink and
Killing it.
next Sunday with another great movie.
Which is amazing and yeah.
Yeah? Which movie is it? I forgot the next week's movie. Okay. Interesting one. I haven't watched it yet. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big like. Comment down your thoughts. If you want us to add something else, do add it down.
Yes.
On the note of Mangalyam, see you. Tantuna Nena. See you. I forgot the lyric of the song. Sorry. See you in the next one.
Bye. Oh wait. No wait. You didn't.
ये हमारी पूजा है.
मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay.
ये हमारी पूजा है.
ये आकर्ष है और यहाँ हमारी पारी होगी.
Close हो रही है. Video close कैसे कराना है पूजा?
This angle is really bad.
Girls and their angles. Close.